Hey everybody, what's going on? This is Living with Perks, and in this video we're going to be unboxing and showcasing some new computer hardware. What we have to unbox today is the Redragon BS8773 wireless keyboard and mouse bundle. This is a compact keyboard with wireless mouse. It's all LED lit. I wanted to try this out because I wanted to have something to take on the go. A lot of people are traveling during the summer, and if you need to bring your gaming setup with you, this kit right here might just do the trick. So let's get into taking a look at the box. All the details there. Flip it over to the back. And the details on the top. Let's get into unboxing this thing. I'll show you what all it comes with, and we'll test it out. Here we have the grand reveal. I will go ahead and take the mouse out first to show you that. Wireless USB dongle goes right into the bottom. Just a mini adapter. I do like the feel of this one. I don't see any particular charging port on this, but there is a spot here underneath for a AA battery. So non-rechargeable. You just throw a battery in there. This is best for travel use in my opinion, so that'd be okay. Here we have the compact keyboard, and this guy is very small. Features a 78 key layout, all your common keys. It does surprisingly have a number pad that is on the side there, so that is interesting to see. You are going to be utilizing the function key with the common keys that you have on a full-size keyboard. They're all imprinted in the white text, so you're going to be hitting that function with those. On the bottom, I do see it also has the optional keys for like skipping tracks, volume control, and that kind of thing. So pretty neat that it features all the keys that a full-size keyboard would have with the use of the function key. So there is that. Has some little stands on the back of it to prop it up. And this thing is very lightweight, so if you do need to throw it in your travel case or whatever, you'll be able to easily tuck it in there with the mouse. Taking a look at it, I don't notice, oh, there is a USB input right there. So you're going to be able to utilize a USB-C cable. We have the manual here, self-explanatory. Does show you a list of some of the shortcut keys on the back, and inside the box we have the USB cable. Does have the L-shaped bracket to connect it right to your keyboard and keep it all nice and contained out of the way. It's not going to come straight out. Just snaps around the side there. So one thing I do notice is it does not have the AA battery, so that is something you will need to pick up if you plan on using this mouse it comes with, but I have those on hand. So let me get this all connected to my current PC and I'll test it out. I did get everything connected. I put the USB dongle from the bottom of the mouse into my PC, and the keyboard is powered up and ready to go. There is a switch on the back here, so you will need to flick that on and off, but we have it on right now. I wasn't sure that the mouse was working right away because there's no LED indicator or anything like that. and that's something that I'm used to with all the other mice I've tried in the past. But it does have a smooth design. It does have the ability to change the DPI by pressing the button on the top there. I believe it has 5 different settings, so we'll just stick with one of the normal speed ones. The keyboard illuminates as soon as you hit a key. It does have a timeout feature, so if you are not using it, all the LEDs will go black. On the side here, it does look like there is a LED indicator. I'm not sure what that means, but let's reference the guide to see if that tells us. The keyboard is wireless, in fact, so it is paired up with the USB dongle that comes with the mouse. We have a little bit of battery charge on there, and as you can see, it's disconnected. We have all the LEDs illuminated, and we're gonna go ahead and just type on the keyboard here and give you a real nice scenario of how this all sounds and works. So I am going to go to test. I'm just popping into some websites on my browser here. Keyboard. The keyboard does have some noise to it. Kind of sounds like a typewriter. Some people like that, other people like a silent keyboard. It is non-mechanical, so you can't swap out any keys. You get what you get. And so far it's working just fine. All the keys interact with what I'm doing. And then with that function key, there's a couple different options on here. I can turn off my LEDs on the keyboard. I can turn that back on. We can change the brightness level. I'm unsure if you can change the color of the keys. It looks like this one is just in blue. But other keyboards I've had, you're able to change that. Maybe it's because those ones were mechanical and have a little bit more features to it. This is more a standalone set, but not a big deal. The blue is nice and vivid, bright enough to give you an idea of, you know, what key does what if you're in a darker room or setting. As far as comparison goes to a full-size keyboard, let me put the other Redragon keyboard up here and you can see the difference. Do like the sleek design of it. The mouse works good, feels good. Has the 2 toggle buttons on the side here for if you are a gamer, you're able to utilize those. The mouse wheel is very smooth, scrolls very quickly, and it's pretty silent for the most part. Clicks are a little bit loud, but that's all right. Overall, pretty decent setup. Like I said, this is going to be more so for somebody that does a lot of traveling or just has limited desk space. For someone like me, I do like the full-size keyboard, but if compact is your thing, this is the one I would recommend. So hopefully you guys liked the video. If you do want to pick up one of these kits for yourselves, take a look at the link in the description below. I will have it posted there. And if you guys like the video, hit that like button, subscribe to Living with Perks, and we'll catch you next time. Peace.